Have you ever wondered if your money is safe in the bank? With so many financial institutions out there, it can be tough to know which one is the most secure. Today, we're going to dive deep into Tangerine Bank and explore whether it's a safe place for your hard-earned cash. Tangerine Bank, formerly known as ING Direct, is a Canadian online bank that has gained a reputation for its simple products and low fees. But is this reputation justified? Let's take a closer look at the factors that contribute to a bank's safety. Factor 1. Deposit insurance. One of the most important factors to consider when assessing a bank's safety is deposit insurance. In Canada, deposits are insured by the Deposit Insurance Corporation of Canada, DIC. This means that if a bank fails, your deposits up to a certain amount are protected. Tangerine Bank is a member of the DIC, so your deposits are insured up to $100,000 per depositor. Factor 2. Financial stability. Another important factor to consider is the overall financial stability of a bank. Tangerine Bank is a subsidiary of Scotiabank, one of Canada's largest and most stable banks. This means that Tangerine has access to the resources and support of a larger financial institution, which can help to ensure its financial stability. Factor 3. Security measures. In today's digital age, it's essential for banks to have strong security measures in place to protect their customers' information. Tangerine Bank uses advanced security technologies to protect its customers' data, including encryption and fraud monitoring. The bank also has a dedicated fraud department to investigate and prevent fraudulent activity. Factor 4. Customer reviews. Customer reviews can provide valuable insights into a bank's reputation and customer satisfaction. Tangerine Bank has generally positive reviews from its customers, with many praising its simple products, low fees, and excellent customer service. However, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary. Addressing common concerns. Now that we've discussed the factors that contribute to a bank's safety, let's address some common concerns that people may have about Tangerine Bank. Concern 1. Lack of physical branches. As an online bank, Tangerine does not have physical branches. This can be a disadvantage for some people who prefer to conduct their banking in person. However, Tangerine offers a variety of ways to access your money, including ATMs, mobile banking, and online banking. Concern 2. Limited product offerings. Tangerine Bank offers a limited range of products compared to traditional banks. This can be a disadvantage for people who need a wider range of financial products, such as mortgages or loans. However, Tangerine's focus on a few core products can make it easier for customers to understand and use its services. So, is Tangerine Bank safe? Based on the factors we've discussed, it appears that Tangerine is a safe and reliable bank. The bank's deposits are insured by the DIC, it is backed by a large and stable financial institution, and it has strong security measures in place. While Tangerine may not be the best choice for everyone, it is a solid option for people who are looking for a simple, low-fee bank. If you are considering opening an account with Tangerine, it's a good idea to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons based on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.